friends, welcome back to my channel.
What a wonderful.
Today I'm gonna talk about 5 anime movies that everybody should watch at least once in their lives. So without further ado, let's get started.
Go, Kiki! Go, Kiki! Go!
At number 5, I have put Hayao Miyazaki's Spirited Away. It is a vivid and intriguing story of a 10-year-old girl called Chihiro who lands in an unfamiliar world where her parents were turned into pigs and she witnesses ghostly apparitions.
I'm dreaming! Ah!
Trapped in it, she strives to get out herself of the situation with the help of enigmatic Haku and the cast of unique characters, finally saving her parents and returning home.
Spirited Away.
At number 4, we have Your Name. Your Name is an enduring tale of fate and love, beautifully animated and brimming with emotion, plugging details that are sure to have you laughing, crying, or a solid mix of the two. Here, two complete strangers, a girl living in a rural town and a boy living in the city, become connected when they keep waking up in each other's bodies. Once getting over the initial shock, they communicate with one another through notes and try to fix each other's problems. Eventually, they decide to try and meet properly, but forces out of their control may make that an impossibility. Throughout the love story, I hoped that the red string of fate will eventually bring them together. If you enjoy a nice slice of life anime with a strong sense of emotional reflection, then I would highly recommend Silent Voice. Now, Silent Voice or Koe no Katachi is a teen drama that starts off on a heavier note with flashbacks of Showa Ishida being a bully in elementary school. When deaf student Shoko Nishimiya transfers into his class, Ishida with rest of his classmates thoughtlessly bullied her just for fun. When they crossed the line, Nishimiya even had to drop out, leaving Showa at the mercy of his classmates. This is when he gets a taste of his own medicine, as he is heartlessly ostracized all throughout elementary and middle school, not even being noticed by any of the teachers. In the 3rd year of his high school, Ishida, still plagued by his wrongdoings, sets out on a journey of redemption to meet Nishimiya-san once more and make amends. As he honestly attempts to redeem himself, the shadows of his past continues to haunt him.
映画「声の形」
西宮翔子
Hotaru no Haka, also known as Grave of the Fireflies, is the heart-wrenching story of Zeta and his baby sister Setsuko. These two children who lost their parents, their home, and the prospect of a bright future in the tragic consequence of World War II when Japan was devastated from American bombings. Beset by starvation and disease, the homeless orphans took shelter in an abandoned bomb shelter in the countryside. Zeta, did everything possible to suffice his baby sister's needs, trying to fill the space of both of a mother and a father. This movie really got me crying so much. I literally cried my balls out, and anybody in my place will do the same, I believe. Amidst the widespread famine and callous indifference of countrymen, it was a poignant portrayal of the effects of war that touched every aspect of the society. It showed how desperate circumstances can turn even the kindest of people cruel, pushing these siblings swiftly to succumbing inevitable fate. If you are looking for something easy to watch, you might be disappointed here. This psychological thriller of Satoshi Kon brings in picture of the truth-crossed hysteria-ridden world of Paranoia Agent. A duality exists between the lead character and her avatar. Mima Kurigoe, a young J-pop idol of the group called Cham, leaves her successful career behind to pursue acting, a decision that did not go well down with her die-hard fans, when Mima was quite perturbed of losing her fandom. To add to her unease, an obsessed fan who is incapable of accepting Mima's loss of innocence or her new change stalks her and even impersonates her from an anonymous website. Concurrent disturbing events drives Mima crazy and increasingly unhinged, making her unable to distinguish reality from fantasy. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. The anime sequence was totally arranged on my